take a look at this new 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. The Sierra 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, sunroof, power, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, B20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, audio system with navigation, FM system stereo with CD player, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 oval in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.